Hello again, welcome back to Great Signature. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my WAAKYE recipe, and this is the authentic Ghana WAAKYE. Ghana WAAKYE without a little bit of gari, a little bit of macaroni aka talia a little bit of salad on the side is not complete. All right, so come with me to my creative kitchen and let's dig straight into it. All right, so on this side I have some sorghum leaf, 3 cups of jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Black eye beans, and that's 3 cups as well. I'll be using a teaspoon of soda bicarbonate or baking soda, okay, and a pinch of salt right there. All right, so next I will wash my sorghum leaf, which is the WAAKYE leaf, nicely and put that in my pot. Next I will add in some water. I'm adding 10 cups of water, and that's the same water that I'll be using from start to finish. All right, and then cover this and bring this to a boil. All right, so next I'll add in a teaspoon of soda bicarbonate. That is what is going to intensify the color of the sorghum leaf. Okay, so if you really want to get a colorful WAAKYE, then add in some soda bicarbonate or cane. In Ghana, cane is what they usually use, and that is edible potash. It is also called saltpeter. All right, so at this point the water is boiling, and so I'm adding in my washed black eye beans. As you can see, look at how colorful it is. The color is really intense, and that's the soda bicarbonate that I have added in. Okay, so at this point I will allow my beans to cook for about 75% through. Okay, and then we will take the sorghum leaf out. All right, so check, look at that. Okay, so that's perfect. So at this point I'll take out the sorghum leaf before adding in my washed rice. You can also leave the sorghum leaves in there, but then I am not, because I've actually get the exact color that I am looking for. Okay, so now you have to stir those to check if there is more sorghum leaf hiding at the bottom of your pot. Look at that. Yes, so always stir and then check. Okay, right, so at this point I'll add in my salt. I didn't add in the salt in the beginning because that was going to keep my beans cooking for a very long time. It was going to prolong the cooking time. Okay, so whenever you are cooking beans, do not add the salt straight away. Let the beans cook halfway before you add in your salt. That's a tip. All right, so now I've added in my salt. Next I will add in my washed rice. Give this a good stir, cover it, and then leave it to cook on a medium heat. Alright, so after 15 minutes, I have come to check on my WAAKYE. Alright, so look at that. It's not well cooked. It is almost done, but I can see there is a little bit of moisture or water in there. So I will allow this to cook for about another 5 more minutes. And yes, our WAAKYE should be done. Okay, so it's time to check on our WAAKYE again. Oh, look at that. Look at how colorful the WAAKYE looks like. And now my WAAKYE is ready. But look at that. Look at how intense. Yay, yay. Yes, and it is Wednesday No, it is Thursday here. So Thursday afternoon, Thursday lunch is going to be bear. And now my watcher is ready to be dished out. Look at that. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at how colorful this watcher is. And guys, this watcher is even more nicer than your best street ones, the ones you buy from the streets. Hey, Hajia Muni is here. Look at that. And now I've tasted out my wache. I have a little bit of fried fish there, a little bit of salad, a little bit of macaroni, aka talea. I have egg on the side, a little bit of gari, my shito right there, and my stew. In that stew, I have some offal, which is the yamadia. I have some wele cow hide and a little bit of meat right there. So this is how the authentic Ghana wache should look like. So wache without all this is incomplete. All right, so on my plate I have the complete Ghana wache, and now you don't have to drive all the way from Labadi to Osu to go and buy wache. You can cook it at home. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. And before you leave, make sure that you subscribe and also turn on your notification bell, meaning you will not miss an upload from me. Thank you. I will see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.